Have you ever looked at a workforce management roster, seen that the floor is completely staffed, but watched your service levels stay deep in the red? This is the illusion of ghost staffing. To fix this, recognize a core operational rule. Headcount is just the number of warm bodies logged into the system. It does not mathematically equal effective capacity, which is the actual work those bodies produce. This tier table tracks a new hire's capacity across 4 tenure stages: nesting, early production, intermediate, and proficient. For example, 10 new hires in nesting operate at a 0.40 multiplier. 10 headcount times 0.40 equals the effective capacity of just 4 fully trained agents. When planners fail to apply these multipliers, the remaining workload doesn't just disappear, it falls on seasoned veterans. Your most skilled agents end up working back-to-back queues to absorb the invisible capacity gap left by new hires, leading straight to burnout. Let's run a forward calculation. Imagine a cohort of 50 agents in week 5 of their tenure. Week 5 places them in early production. Multiplying those 50 heads by the 0.65 multiplier reveals they provide exactly 32.5 effective capacity to the floor. Forward calculations help you understand today, but the real challenge is planning for the future. We need to reverse engineer a hiring date to guarantee exactly 100 fully proficient agents are on the floor for a seasonal peak in December. To hit a 1.0 multiplier in December, December must be month 4. Walking backward, November is month 3 at 0.85. October is month 2, also 0.85. This makes September month 1, the mandatory trigger to begin the hiring class. By explicitly counting backward using tenure months, you align your training pipeline with your demand curve. The headcount matures into actual capacity at the exact moment the call volume spikes. Let's see the mathematical penalty of missing that deadline. We'll analyze what happens if the September trigger is delayed and starts in October instead. On this shifted timeline, an October start means agents reach only month 3 by the December peak. Operating at an 85% intermediate tier, we must deliberately overhire. Dividing our 100 capacity target by 0.85 means we must hire 118 warm bodies. Let's test this logic with a new scenario. You are planning for a November peak. To handle ramp-up volume, you need a cohort providing exactly 40 effective capacity during October. Assuming you hire this class in September, I want you to pause the video and answer 2 questions. What is the October multiplier, and how many total heads must be hired to hit the target? Understanding fractional capacity is what prevents a critical planning error. A delayed hiring class of the equivalent size will never provide one-to-one operational relief. Let's walk through the solution. If the hiring class starts in September, October represents their second month on the floor. This table confirms that a month 2 agent sits in the intermediate stage. This gives them a 0.85 multiplier. To find the required headcount, take the 40 capacity target and divide it by the 0.85 multiplier. The result is 47.05, meaning you must fire 48 total agents to safely meet your requirement. Here is your final reference guide. Rule 1. Headcount multiplied by the tier multiplier equals your current capacity. Rule 2. Target capacity divided by the multiplier tells you the headcount needed. And Rule 3. Map month 4 to your peak demand, then count backward to find your exact start date. Treating the learning curve as an independent, quantifiable mathematical variable eliminates all guesswork in your staffing models. Mastering effective capacity provides a reliable safeguard against ghost staffing. It ensures your service levels remain stable, and it actively protects your top-tier agents from carrying the invisible weight of the floor.